Hey, what's good? It's Wild and Dope Boy back in the gang. What's up? We're up here at UCR. Feel me? You feel me? Yeah, yeah. So, we're at UCR. We're about to go high jumping with my boy Elijah. Haven't seen him in a while, so well, 2 months ago. 2 months ago, so yeah, that should be good. And pretty much we're here right now, so we're about to get straight into putting in work and working out. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. We're on our way back home. I don't drive, don't have my license, so most of the time I'm walking everywhere I go, or I'm getting robbed. Who cares? You know what I mean? My bad. Show Steeler Nation, baby. You know what's up? Steelers are the best. No, don't give a crap about what anybody has to say. Steelers are still the best. Yeah, she's sure looking like a motherfucking snack. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, what's good? What's good? Hey, look at that. That's your type of car, huh, Therese? Ah, look at that. Yeah, that's her car. Look at that. Look at that car. You gonna have like 8 kids in that car. But yeah, yeah, what's good? At the Fiesta Village now. Not my bad, University Village.
Fiesta.
I said Fiesta Village. I'm dumb as hell. Not gonna lie about that. I'm dumb. No, nigga.
No, you're not. Don't do it. Demetrius!
Mi banda el mexicano con ustedes.
Big fat bitch.
You know what he said?
Cuando vas al baile, ¿qué te dice tu mamá? Cuando vas al baile, ¿qué te dice tu mamá? No bailes de caballito que te voy a regañar. No bailes de caballito que te voy a regañar. Cuando llegas al baile, ¿qué dice tu papacito? Mamacita a bailar de caballito. Vente mamacita a bailar de caballito.
For y'all, you know, it's entertainment, but let y'all know how I feel after, you know, so. Yeah, I'm back at the house right now. Just, you know, I'm just tired, cold as hell. I think I got hypnothermia, whatever you call that. I think I'm sick, bro. Like, that cold water really beat the hell out of me. I'm freezing. I'm gonna get in some hot water, chill in the tub. You know what's up, and blah blah blah, like that. And that's what I'm gonna do is just get in the tub, go warm me up, go suck in some hot water or something, just chill a little bit. But then I was going to do that, but then I came in with a bunch of mess, such as my mom coming here, getting us along the way while we were walking home. So let me get to tell you the story. So first of all, we were just chilling and doing our thing, having our good fun for the day, and then as soon as we get back walking back home, all of a sudden, yeah, this and that, and my mom was gonna pick us up and stuff. So I was like, okay, there shouldn't be a problem. Then she comes in yelling at us saying, okay, where were you guys? You guys were too late and blah 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 and like that. And I'm like, hold on, I'm 18, I got my little sister, it's dark, and I know where to go, and everything's fine if it's with me. And then she was over here like, I'm about to call the cops, blah blah blah. You guys should know where you guys are. And she called me a liar because she got there between 5:30 and 6, saying that that she was there and that she didn't see nobody on the field and stuff like that. But from the parking lot, you cannot tell from the track what if anybody's up there or not. You have to literally walk in the track at UCR if you know what I'm talking about, if you know how UCR works and how it looks like. But I was like, wow. So you pretty much twisted it up. She said pretty much that she was gonna pick us up at between 5:30 and 6 in the rain. But then if it don't rain, pretty much she said that I have to walk. It's so stupid. So like, I'm just tired. I'm just tired now. I'm trying to get cleaned up and stuff like that. And you know, oh my God, just trying to get warmed up, get my body temperature back to where it was, and all that stuff. So you know, I want to end the vlog right here. Make sure you smash the like button down below, subscribe, to me if you haven't already, and be sure to tune in to more videos like this, or even better, you know. So Wiley and Dope Boy, gang gang out.